Welcome back. It's episode 2 of Luck of the Dart. So let me throw this dart and let's see where we're going.
How do I keep missing?
Well, as fate would decide, looks like I'm heading just north of Horsetooth Reservoir. What we'll find, stay tuned. Now you know the next step of this process. We gotta pick our car, and it could be any of these. It could be the Sedona, it could be the K900, it could be the Optima. Just kidding, we just did the Optima. Could be the Forte, could be the Soul, could be the Sportage, could be the Sorrento, could be the Stinger, please be the Stinger, could be the Rio, or last but not least, it could be the Telluride. So, a while back I made a video at the dealership and I pretty much utilized every single employee there to get a little bit of footage, and then when I got back to editing, I somehow deleted some of the footage. So I'm gonna go back to the dealership and I'm gonna give Justin a second shot because I deleted his footage and I like him, so let's go. So I'm here at the dealership.
Hey.
Do you hate me for
No,
deleting your video?
it happens. It's
All right.
computers.
So don't look.
I like. I hope it's not the same one as last time.
Forte. Yeah,
Forte, that'll be fun. That 19 Forte is gonna be a blast.
Hey, do you have one of these hats?
I do not. Take a hat.
Take the hat.
Awesome.
There you go.
Go get you swapped out for a Forte.
Hey, thanks.
Thanks, Rob. Go ahead and change.
Forte it is. Ugh. All right, you know the drill. Buckle in. So we get to go on another adventure. But here we are back in the Forte S. So my luck of the draw, I keep getting pretty lucky. Every time I've thrown a dart, it seems to be right along I-25. So I don't have to travel too far, and I'm lucky on this one because I'm a little bit more familiar with the area. It's officially springtime, which means we need to go play out in the sun. So let's make a quick little detour before we make it to our dart location. So the Forte S is a great example of one of the Kia vehicles where you can get some of the higher end amenities within a more affordable price tag. You're not sacrificing on your safety features, your backup camera, your Apple CarPlay. I've always looked at the Forte S as the perfect commuter vehicle. It has a very comfy interior. You still have a very similar wheel to almost every single thing that you see in the Kia lineup, meaning you can control your music and your phone calls on the left and your cruise control on the right. They've done a good job of not cluttering up this vehicle with buttons and distractions. It's a very simple interior, which makes it look very clean. And with the Forte S, you also have this sunroof. I'm a big fan of the touchscreen display. You can tell that the touchscreen display was inspired by the Stinger's touchscreen display, just from how it protrudes out of the dashboard. Alright, so let's turn this GoPro around. Let's get a little bit of a time lapse to where we're going. Alright, so I've made it to Spring Canyon, which is one of my favorite parks in all of Fort Collins. And there's a skate park, and all my homies are here, so I'm gonna go say hi and get a little skate session in. Let's go. What's up?
Yeah, I thought no camera on the weekends.
I know, right? ride, time to buckle up. Let's take off. All right, as you can see, I put my coat on now because it got a little cold because it's Colorado. I've made it to my dart location. Let's get out, I'll show you where we're at. It's a little windy. So with luck of the dart, we've ended up here on the north side of the Horsetooth Reservoir. I'm actually shocked because there's still ice. I had no idea that there'd still be ice here. It's springtime. Come on, Colorado, get with the picture. Woo! And today with this overcast, it's actually been quite delightful to have. This week I'll be going to the Denver Auto Show. I'm going because Kia's gonna have a booth set up, and from what I hear, they're gonna have a Telluride SX, and I really wanna get in one. I also heard that they're gonna have Telluride test drives, so stay tuned. We'll take a scenic drive back across Horsetooth Reservoir, back to the studio, and we'll end this video. All right, and just like that, we're back at the studio. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about Kia's 2019 Forte S, make sure to go to I-25 Kia and talk to the car experts. Big thank you to Justin for picking my car. Big thank you for I-25 Kia for supplying the car. And big thank you for you for tuning in. So have a great day. Bye.